809 Birchwood, Willoughby, Ohio. It's an awesome area. Right down there is the lake, so you can almost walk to the lake. There's a nice little walk area there you can go. And there's a park and everything else. There's a little beach club down there if you want to join that. It's a nice area. Let's go inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, been remodeled. Huge backyard. So you can see all the appliances are here. Dishwasher, or excuse me, yeah, dishwasher, stove. There's your refrigerator. There's a full bathroom in here. So all that's in it. All pretty much new stuff. The first bedroom's right here. So you hit the vinyl windows. You have thermal heat in this too, which is nice for the winter. It'll save you some money on the heat bill too. So here's the other bedroom here. And the living room has a fireplace, a workable one. Nice open area there. And then there's one more bedroom here. So you can see this is a bigger bedroom, has an exit. You have a washer and dryer built in here. So this one does come with a washer and dryer, if I can get this open. There's a washer and dryer, stackable. All that's right there. You got a laundry room right here. So that's kind of in here. And then in the back here, you have a large backyard. You have a nice patio here in the back. It's a fenced-in backyard, and it's a lot of land. See there? There's a place to put your picnic table if you want, all fenced in. And again, this is a big lot here. So if you're looking for a property in Willoughby, close to the lake, has all the amenities, this is your property. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the end of the virtual tour. Thanks.